Hello everyone, welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Share with you today braised vegetables with red fermented beancurd without mushrooms. Flammulino value types can be substituted. If you can't get tofu puffs, you can use iced tofu instead. Choose materials at your personal convenience. A small amount of cloud fungus, mushroom, tofu puff, mushroom, corn cob, vermicelli. A small amount of black moss. Soak the material. Soaking in hot water can shorten the time. Includes shiitake mushrooms, fried yuba, cloud ear. Soak vermicelli and black moss in cold water. Set aside. Spare. Cut other materials. Discard the stems of the short choy. Cut to about 3 厘米 long. Soak it. Corn cob, also known as pearl shoots, chop it finely for easy eating. Split it in two. Divide the tofu puff into two. Cut mushrooms in half. Wait until the other materials are soaked before processing. Dried mushrooms have been soaked until soft. Discard the stems. Scrub with raw powder to remove sand and mud. Split it into 4 easy eating. These 4 ingredients have no salty taste and need to be seasoned. Boil an appropriate amount of water and blanch them to remove the odor. After boiling, cook for about 2 minutes. Scoop them up. Change water. Add a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon raw oil. Put them in. After boiling, cook for about 2 minutes. Put them in containers. Set aside. Spare. The vermicelli, have vegetables, and fried bamboo sticks have been soaked. Drain them. Cut the vermicelli for easy eating. Boil water. Add a teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon oil. After boiling, add the vegetable. Because shaka is hard, boil it until soft. Cook for about 3到4分钟 is enough. Drain other ingredients. Set aside. Cook until the color changes. Scoop up. Drain. Set aside. Pour the water away. Add a tablespoon of oil. Stir-fry the red fermented beancurd until fragrant. Use low heat, otherwise it will burn easily. Add prepared ingredients, including mushrooms and vegetables. Stir-fry evenly. Add 6到7 tablespoons of water. Seasoning. Red fermented beancurd tastes salty. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar to neutralize the saltiness. 1/2 tablespoon soy sauce. Add a small amount of dark soy sauce toning. Stir fry evenly. Add tofu puff. Add black moss, vermicelli and fried yuba. Vermicelli will absorb the most moisture, so no need to thicken. Turn on the fire and boil the soup dry. As shown in the video, you can turn off the fire. Drizzle a small amount of sesame oil to enhance the aroma. Today's braised vegetables with red fermented beancurd is complete. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.